Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get the RSS feed URL of your Blogger blog. This is incredibly useful if you want to connect your blog to feed readers, email marketing tools, or other platforms that need to automatically pull in your latest posts. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account if you manage multiple blogs, as you'll need to work with the specific blog whose RSS feed you want to retrieve. After logging in, you'll see your Blogger dashboard on the left side of the screen. Look for the option that says View Blog and click on it. This will open your actual live blog in a new tab, showing you exactly what your readers see when they visit your site. Keep this tab open, as we'll need it for the next steps. Now here's where we dig a little deeper into the technical side. Right-click anywhere on your blog page. It doesn't matter which section you choose, just find an empty area and right-click from the context menu that appears, select View Page Source. This will open a new tab or window displaying all the HTML code that makes up your blog page. Don't be intimidated by all the code you see. We're going to make finding what we need very simple. With the page source now open in front of you, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut opens the search function within your browser, allowing you to quickly locate specific text within all that code. A small search box should appear, typically at the top right corner of your browser window. In that search box, type RSS, press Enter to search through the code. The browser will highlight instances where RSS appears in the source code. You may need to click through a few results, but you're looking for a line that contains something like href equals, followed by a URL. This href attribute is what points to your RSS feed. Once you've found it, you'll see your RSS feed URL right after the href equals part. It typically looks something like http://yourblogName.blogspot.com/feeds/posts/default. This is the complete RSS feed URL for your Blogger blog. Simply copy this URL, and you can now use it wherever you need to integrate your blog's feed. And that's it. You've successfully located your Blogger blog's RSS feed URL by accessing the page source and searching for the RSS reference. This URL is now ready to be used with any service or application that requires it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.